Welcome to The Foundry by Forge College. I'm your host, and today we're getting our hands dirty with prototyping workflows. If you followed along with our last session on designing module integration and interfaces, your toolbox is looking pretty good. You have those user empathy maps and your static design tokens ready to go. This is exactly when the urge strikes. You look at your design rules and think, I'm ready. Let's start coding. Let's make this app gorgeous with drop shadows and a slick gradient. It is a tempting thought, but a beautiful interface is useless if the underlying logic sends your user into a dead end. If they can't figure out how to navigate the app, no amount of polish will save the experience. This is why we use a low-fidelity interactive prototype. We are going to intentionally embrace the ugly. Instead of building a tangled mess of pretty screens, we assemble a stripped-down flowchart where the essential clicks, decisions, and transitions actually function. Prioritizing this raw flow logic over visual polish allows you to convert abstract empathy maps into a testable interface. It makes user decisions visible and, more importantly, falsifiable before you invest time in high-fidelity mockups. The first physical step is assembling the basic skeleton frames for each stage of your prioritized user flow. Sequence your frames: start, choose token, confirm, success, and error. Stick to basic grayscale shapes, no gradients. Populate these frames with a minimal component set: buttons, inputs, and navigation. Use exact spacing rules from your design system, ensuring your prototype reflects earlier architectural decisions. By restricting yourself to these strict primitives, you force your team to evaluate the raw mechanics of the user journey, rather than getting distracted by the aesthetics. In the design programs at Forge College, we focus on the transition from static layouts to simulated environments. To create that simulation, we use hotspots. These are the clickable areas on your screen that you wire directly to their destination frames. Wire the happy path from confirm to success, and the unhappy path to a visible error screen. Microcopy is critical. Replace generic labels like submit with specific phrases like swap now from your empathy map. Cross-check AI-generated labels against the user's authentic voice. A fully wired, realistically worded prototype transforms a flat diagram into a simulated environment where user decisions trigger immediate, visible consequences. Now we run the heuristic walkthrough. This is where you actively play the prototype from start to finish to see if your logic survives a simulated user. Use a core checklist. Can the user navigate without confusion? Are consequences visible? Test interactive fidelity. Check that error paths and back buttons route users to a recoverable state. Finally, document assumptions, like network conditions, on the first frame for future reviewers. By completing this walkthrough, you create a validated artifact. You've proven the logic is functional, which sets you up perfectly for the next lesson: holistic design evaluation. That's the process for validating your flow before moving to high-fidelity design. To learn more about this and other Web3 topics, visit forge.college to explore our full range of courses. Thanks for listening, and keep building.